Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to update our Ocean project from Unreal Engine 5.3 to Unreal Engine 5.8. And I will show you how to use include virtual file path for custom shader. This is our project that we create in Unreal Engine 5.3, and you can still follow along with this tutorial. I will put the link in the description. We can open and see it is 5.3. Now we need to convert it to Unreal Engine 5.8. Right click, show more option, and then switch Unreal Engine version to 5.8. And we need to delete derived data intermediate cell and open this project. After we update, we can see this plane that we have the ocean. It is black. It isn't because it is broken. It's because our directory have the wrong location. So we can see this error. And if we go to content and ocean water, we can see this file. We need to select this file. Go to this ocean water cold path. And go to absolute include file path. Next, we need to reselect the file. This is ocean water. Compile. And we can ignore this error. And we can see this ocean export. Like ocean export. We compile and apply. This we don't have any file. And this row path. This is ocean water and save. Next is time step. We select complex math. This ocean complex math. So compile and save. Save all. Now when we go to this FX ocean water, we will see this is working. And now we have this project in Unreal Engine 5.8. But this absolute include file path isn't the best option, because when we send our project to other people and they open in their computer, their file path will have different location, so we will get the error. So instead, we should use this virtual include file path. To use virtual include file path, first we need to convert the project to C++. Add new C++ class, and we can create none and create class. If your Visual Studio get the error, you should check the version of your Visual Studio. For anyone that want to update the project, I feel your struggle because Even Visual Studio need to update too because it will not compatible with the new version of Unreal Engine. Example, Unreal Engine 5.7 we need version 17.8 or later. And now I'm using Visual Studio Community 2022 and the version is 17.14.35 for Unreal Engine 5.8. We delete .vs first, close Visual Studio first, delete.vs, derive data, intermediate, save, and all of these Visual Studio project generated file. Next, go to content, ocean water, and add a new folder. This name is shaders, and move all of this inside this shader folder. And next, we can generate Visual Studio project file. Open this ocean tutorial, go to source, and right click at the source. We go to add Unreal Engine item, and we want to add another module, this empty Unreal Engine module. Click add, and we can set the module name is custom shaders. Module type is runtime. Module loading phase is post config init, and click OK. And we can check this ocean tutorial.u project, and we see that we have another module, custom shader. Loading phase is post config init. We can reload, and this custom shader.build.cs, we add another dependency module is render core. Save. Go to this custom shader module.cpp. We have start up module and shutdown module. Next, we need to include interface plus I plugin manager .h, include mix h, include shader core h, include, and the last one we include this module manager. Now the startup module, we can add f string, set the dir for directory, f paths, project content dir, divide by text, ocean water, shaders, add set the source directory mapping, and the text is this tag is ocean water, and we can move this down and shut down module, reset all set the source directory mappings. You don't need to include this. Let's save. Close it. We can delete and we rebuild it again. This binary and generate Visual Studio project file. Open this ocean tutorial.sln and we run the project. Now we need to fix the directory again. Go to this ocean water and we can, this is oceanwater.ush. Delete this. Add virtual include file path instead. Ocean water plus ocean water.ush. And let's compile this. Apply. And you need to make sure that this ocean water, we have set the file and this file inside this shader. This export that data ocean export, we delete this plus ocean water ocean export.ush and we compile this and it runs successfully. We go to row path and this is use ocean water. Delete this ocean water ocean water.ush. Compile, apply and save. And another one. This one is complex math. Ocean water ocean complex math.ush and apply and we save all. Now we have the ocean again. You can see this wave. So when we use this, so when you use virtual include file path, we can send this project to anywhere because we don't use the absolute file path. It only exists in your PC. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please hit like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for my patrons who are supporting me. Your support really means a lot to me. See you in the future tutorial.